Amid high security, the 9th election to the Autonomous District Council ADC is all set to come off tomorrow. Rising tension been reported from different parts of the state. What clearly sets tomorrow's part is a complicated configuration of political forces and alignments, with the BJP and newly formed Tipra Motha appearing in the lead. Even though the BJP and IPFT have formed a TINAS alliance for 25 of altogether 28 elective seats in the ADC, the alliance is not functioning smoothly, and to worsen matters, there will be friendly fight between the partners in the three constituencies. By comparison, the IPFT, which had earlier captured ADC once in the year 2000, taking advantage of this situation in the election, seems to have already become a spent force, with Pradyut Kishore's unrealistic and opportunistic slogan of Greater Tipra Land replacing the IPFT's pet slogan of Tipra Land. Following the ADC poll tomorrow, the preparations are on peak. The officials already dispatched EVMs, VVPATs to the polling places as the much-awaited elections to the Tripura Autonomous District Council TTADC will be held on 6th of April, that is tomorrow. State Election Commissioner MLD said that the polling to the 28-member TTADC would be held on April 6th and counting of votes will be done on 10th of April. According to they, in all, 8,65,041 voters, including 4,28,490 females, are eligible to cast their votes in the ADC election, which has a jurisdiction of over two-thirds of Tripura's 10,491 square kilometer area and home over to 12,16,000 people, which has 90% population as indigenous. Bureau Report, Hava Bol.